The main method serves as the entry point of a program and can accept command line arguments through the string args parameter. These arguments allow you to modify the program's behavior at runtime by passing input values when executing the application. You can run the program without arguments or provide them as needed to customize its execution. Manually entering arguments every time can be inefficient during development. To streamline this process, you can define static arguments in the tasks.json file within Visual Studio Code by adding them to the args property. This allows the program to run with predefined inputs automatically, eliminating the need to type them repeatedly.